Okay, so the first thing is we need to have a niche. If you don't have a niche, I'm gonna keep it simple. You can head over to Wikipedia list of hobbies. Just go for it. You land on this page. You can find a niche using these hobbies. Basically, niches are hobbies people are interested in. For this example, I'm gonna use the shoes one. It's very good. It's a very good niche. Now under shoes, we're gonna look under running shoes. So I went over to Quora. This is the first method on how to find keywords that are low in competition is to use Quora. Now when you go to Quora, type in running shoes or whatever your niche is. So let me give you another example. If I had anti-keeping, then I'll go in here into Quora and I'll type in anti-keeping. Give you questions that have the word anti-keeping in them, and these are the good keywords you can find. Some of them may be high in competition, others may be low in competition. Now for this example, I found a good one, are running shoes okay for indoor soccer. I don't know how much traffic this keyword gets, but it's a very good keyword because there's less than a good number of authority websites that are targeting this keyword because it may be small, and these small ones get a couple of decent traffic. Like you're seeing right now on the screen is an example of an article on one of my websites. Now so you can open it up or you can just highlight it and copy the entire question like so. Right click, then copy, and in a new tab, new incognito tab, paste that and see what comes up. Now this is the result for the running shoes okay for indoor soccer. Quora is ranking #1, which is great. Genuinesoccer.com, of course it's a soccer website, so it makes sense to show up there. Then Reddit, which is interesting as well. Then shoes for soccer again, and other websites as well, but they are not on topic. They're just talking what shoes are best for playing foot, so I even don't know what that is. Can you run in soccer shoes? Of course they run in soccer shoes. Who doesn't run in soccer shoes? So there's this title here, can you run in soccer shoes, doesn't match what we are targeting. Are running shoes okay for indoor soccer? So it makes this a very good keyword to target. Let's do one more. So if we go back here, you can go ahead and do the same thing for all these ones. So there's this one here, how long do running shoes last? So this is a competitive one because it's kind of short, but I've already checked that one out. So how long can you wear a pair of running shoes? So we'll copy this. So I'm not gonna right click. You can do right click, then you go search whatever search engine you use. So I use DuckDuckGo, so I don't want to use that one. I want to use Google. So we're gonna go back to the incognito tab. We open that up. Then this is the keyword. How long can you wear a pair of running shoes? So you see fleetfit.com, runners world. Okay, but Quora is showing up here now. This one may be a little bit competitive because the results are kind of on point and they're specifically talking about the keyword. Now I wouldn't recommend that, but if you are to go for this keyword, I would encourage you to write the article, then come and answer the question on Quora. Now this can help your website get discovered and shown on the second page. Why do you need to show up on the second page? Because people will eventually find your article for other related keywords. Runners Lab, okay, there are other websites that are showing up. So you can see on the second page the results are irrelevant, so you can show up on the second page, but you can get traffic on from page 1 using this featured Quora question right here. So you can also answer, or you can check through all these questions here, all these questions highlighted here, and see if they also show up on Google, and write those articles as well. Answer the questions on Quora if you can't get onto the first page, guaranteed. Now the other example of a keyword I would encourage you to stay away from is when there are lots of ads and there are lots of big websites in your niche. So Runner's World seems to be a very popular website. Run Repeat, Healthline. Okay, so this shows you that this keyword is not good, even though it's very long tailed enough. Now this one I would stay away from because there's medical news today, very well fit, so stay away from this keyword. Now let's move on to the next strategy on finding low competition keywords. Now as you can see, are running shoes okay for indoor soccer? There was only 13 answers, with the top answer getting up to 11,000 views. So there's definitely interest in this topic. So don't mind if the keyword is showing 0 in your keyword search tool. So long as there's interest on Quora, it doesn't matter what the keyword says, the keyword search tool says. The other next step, you can use Sem Rush. You can create a free account. This is one of the free accounts I've created. You can enter in here a couple of free keywords. Now, if you haven't watched my Sem Rush tutorial, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description of this very video. You can check it out to go in detail on how to use this tool, and you can also get a free trial for at least 7 days, I think. And you try out the tool. It's a definitely good tool. So you get your keyword. So let's say we got the keyword a running shoe. How long can you wear a pair of running shoes? We would copy that using the free account. Remember, we are on the free account. This is the easiest way around if you don't want to do the search manually on Google and analyzing the results. Another tool you can try is this one here, Ahrefs keyword difficulty checker. So you go here, paste in your keyword. The moment it asks you, and the moment it brings back the moment it tells you that they don't have enough data for that keyword, it's the first sign that this keyword is a good one. You can tag it, but you have to verify the search results if these free tools are not giving you the metrics. So that's the best way. Now, the other tool that I would highly recommend you check out is Answer the Public. So you would come in here, enter your keyword running shoes like so. Ensure it's the maximum of 2 words. The more keywords you enter in here, the less results you're gonna get, and most of them are gonna be irrelevant in my take. Or if you don't want this neck bending graph or data, you can switch over to this one. It can also show you these very keywords. Now, the first thing I would encourage you to stay away from is these health related things. So cause knee pain, make you or back pain, calf pain, anything got to do with health and well-being of people. Stay away from those keywords. YMYL. If you don't know what YMYL means, then things related to do with people's health, they are hard to rank for, even though you're a new website. But if you go for these other ones, how often should you replace running shoes? These are easy keywords, anyone can get them. Where do how oh my goodness. These kind of questions are somehow weird, but you can rephrase it and make the question better, then you can rank for that keyword. Where are Brooks running shoes from? I think that's a shoe brand, so you can promote the shoe brand using that one, because these people are in the pre-buyer stage, so you can get them and promote that product. Which running shoes are best for wide feet? Good question. So they don't know which running shoes are best for you. You can give them a couple of brands from Amazon or whatever, Nike, and you can sign up for Impact. I'm gonna leave a video to Impact that can show you the Adidas affiliate program and other affiliate programs that are awesome. You can join on that affiliate network. It's 100% free to watch. You don't need to pay anything. How to often clean running shoes? Okay, that can be competitive because it's kind of short. Who needs stability? What kind of question is that? Okay, you do the same for the prepositions. Avoid the neck bending technique. Running shoes can be used for basketball. Give you a bonus tip is to go ahead and use Reddit. Reddit is good because what you do, you enter running shoes, then anything that has reddit.com. This is gonna search only in reddit.com with everything that has running shoes in it. Now you can find these forums here, running shoe geeks. Open that up. So when you open the forum up, you can see that there's 18,000 geeks here and 207 people not running, which is good. We can target this forum and we get a couple of keyword ideas. Now you will get this runningshoegeeks.com. Run that through Sem Rush. That's why it's important to get a paid plan of Sem Rush. This is just the free plan. If you have a good keyword, you want to check out the competition, you can use the free plan. It's good. But if you have a paid, or if you're on a free trial, you can use the Sem Rush to check the keyword and the entire forum to see what kind of keyword it ranks for. Forums and Quora, Reddit, these kind of websites rank for easy keywords, low competition keywords nobody wrote articles about. If you write articles on those keywords, then it's gonna be easier, and I'm having success doing this very exact strategy. If you want to check out another keyword research tutorial, there will be links in the description. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'm out.